am Sheetal and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about a course in one such language which is considered as the most widely used language in the world. This fascinating language has almost assumed the stature of the world language and used nearly by all the countries of the world, at least in international communication. I think I need not give you more clues about the language, as by now you must have very clear picture in your mind of the language I am talking about. You are very right, my dear friends. It is the language in which I am speaking right now, and you people from across the globe are listening and understanding what I am going to deliberate it, and English is that diverse language with a wide range of users. For all type of communication, one needs a language. The English language is perfectly capable of filling the gap. In this video, I am going to tell you about one such course that can help you increase your understanding of the language, and that particular course is Bachelor of Arts in English Honours. I am sure by the end of the video, you will definitely be aware of the answers to all of your burning questions, like what exactly BA English Honours course entails, what are the required eligibility conditions to join BA English Honours course, what are the skills required to do BA English Honours course, how to join BA English Honours course, various entrance exams required to be cleared to join BA English course, what is the syllabus of BA English Honours course, what is the fee of BA English Honours course, which are the various government and private institutes offering BA English Honours course, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after completion of BA English Honours course, which are the top recruiters of BA English Honours degree holders, what are the expected pay packages after doing BA English Honours degree, and much more. So guys, let us start with very basic question, that is what exactly BA English Honours course is. Bachelor of Arts in English Honours is a 3-year undergraduate degree program which comes under the field of humanities and arts. BA English Honours course includes study of development of the English language and literature and how it has formed into the current modern society. This course also awares the aspirant about different aspects like drama, poetry, novel and plays. Now when you are well aware of the course, you would like to know the required eligibility conditions to join BA English Honours course. As far as educational qualification is concerned, you must have passed 12th examination or its equivalent, preferably in the arts stream from a recognized school. Some colleges may also demand certain minimum percentage of marks at this level, which can be anywhere between 50% to 60%. However, the eligibility criteria might differ a bit from college to college and university to university. Along with fulfilling these eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of skills to be able to do this 3-year BA English Honours course successfully. Like one of the foremost skill that you need to possess to do this course is the desire to learn a foreign language which has already been declared a tough language by most of the non-native English learners. Ability to communicate effectively in both written and spoken form can be handy to do this course successfully. You must have the ability to present your ideas and information effectively. Besides this, you should be able to function as a part of team and be able to collaborate. Now, after knowing about the eligibility conditions and required skills, if you are really looking to do BA English Honours degree course, then the knowledge of its admission process is a must. The admission process is varied from one institute to other. As various institutes have their own admission criteria and admission process, some institutes provide admission to BA English Honours program on the basis of marks secured in 12th or intermediate examination. However, some universities or colleges offer admission to this program based on the rank secured in the entrance examination conducted by the college authority. Some institute may provide admission giving weightage to both the marks secured in the qualifying exams and marks secured in the entrance exam conducted at institute, university or state level. Now I would like to tell you about the syllabus of BA English Honours course. The 3 years full-time BA English Honours course has been divided into 6 semesters. In BA English Honours Semester 1, you will study subjects like English language skills, history of English language, historical and literary topics 1 and history of Old and Middle English literature, whereas BA English Honours Semester 2 consists of subjects like drama, the rivals, She stoops to conquer Elizabethan literature, environmental studies and poetry, Milton and Pope. BA English Honours Semester 3 usually consists of subjects like Introduction to Computer, Literary Topics, Restoration Period and Prose, Lamb and Hazlitt. In BA English Honours Semester 4, you study subjects like Jacobean or Caroline period, Romanic period and novel Austen and Scott. Whereas BA English Honours Semester 5 consists of subjects like Soft Skills, the Victorian period and the 20th century literature. In BA English Honours Semester 6, you study subjects like Augustan Age, Creative Writing, Indian Modern Literature and Dissertation. This is a generalized standard syllabus of BA English Honours which might differ a bit from institute to institute. However, the basic content of the course will largely remain same. Now let me tell you about some of the top BA English Honours institutes of India. If you are looking for some of the best government institutes, then you can go for Hindu College, Delhi, Hansraj College, Delhi, Kirorimal College, Delhi, Government PG College Sector 1, Panchkula, Maulana Azad College, Kolkata, Scottish Church College, Kolkata, Bihar National College, BN College, Government Degree College, Sanjoli, Shimla and Lady Shri Ram College for Women, New Delhi. If you want to join some of the best private institutes, then you can go for Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce, Pune, St. Stephen College, Delhi, MCM DAV College for Women, Chandigarh, St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, DAV College, Chandigarh and St. Joseph's College, Darjeeling. In fact, there are hundreds of other private and public institutes providing BA English Honours course. You can visit our website targetstudy.com to know about all those. Now you must be curious to know about the fees of BA English Honours course. Like other courses, the fee of BA English course also vary depending upon the genre and the reputation of the institute you are thinking of joining. Like the average fee for BA English Honours course in Government Institute may range from 15,000 to rupees 60,000 per annum, while private institute may charge anywhere between rupees 1.5 lakh to 2.5 lakhs annually for the same course. This fee structure varies greatly, so it is always advisable to go through the latest notification of the respective institute you are going to join to know the exact amount of fee they charge. Here are the career prospects and job opportunities after BA English Honours course. English is a versatile language that can lead to a variety of job opportunities all over the world. Graduates with an English Honours degree can find work in both the public and private sectors. In private sector, you can find employment in print media houses and electronic media like Times, India Today, Network 18 Groups as sub-editor, anchor and newsreader, etc. Advertising agencies as content creator, editor, copywriter, arts administrator, etc. Social media organizations like Facebook, Twitter as blogger, reviewer, communicator, content developer, manager or public relation officer. SEO companies as publisher, researcher, search engine optimizer. International embassies as translators and front office executive. Airlines and other organizations like Air India, Vistara, handling foreign nationals as front office executive and tour and travel agencies like Cox and Kings etc. as guide, travel writer and technical writers etc. And if you are interested in government sector, then I would like to tell you that you can take any UG level employment exam and join state or central public sector organization on various posts. That may include public relation departments of various government organizations, various public sector banks and other enterprises like Air India, etc. And if you are more inclined towards education and research, then you can go for higher degrees in the field like MA followed by PhD and become an educationist by clearing B.Ed or UGC NET exam in various private and government educational institutes, besides joining some research facilities as a researcher. So I can say that there are ample of job opportunities in both private as well as public sector for those who have completed their bachelor's degree in English Honours from a reputed institute. Now the most frequently asked question, What is the proposed pay package or salary after completing BA English Honours course? The BA English Honours degree holder can expect to get something between Rs 3 lakh to Rs 3.6 lakh annually as a starting salary. Someone with few years of relevant industry experience and expertise can think of getting Rs 6 lakh to Rs 10 lakhs annually. Whereas, in government sector, the salary and pay packages largely depends upon the post you have joined and the prevailing pay scales in the respective government organization. So at the end of this video, I wanted to mention that pursuing a Bachelor of Arts in English Honour degree program will make your knowledge of understanding English literature more profound. Make smart choices and choose whatever your interest lies within, either be with English or with any other subject. All subjects are important, but to connect with every other subject, English is considered as necessary. So that was all here to know about the BA English Honours program. I hope you find this video interesting and informative. If it is so, please click the like button. Please press the bell button to receive automatic notification. We'll be back with more videos on such interesting subjects. Thank you for taking the time to watch the channel.